Right everyone, I left Hanoi yesterday, 5:30 after the tour. Haven't done a video yet because I was tired and got onto the night bus. And obviously I'm in Hanoi now, and I definitely missed the storm because there's trees all over the place. So it would have been a very dangerous time to go any sooner, so the storm has passed. There's just trees all over the place, so Hanoi got really battered, but there's trees all over the place. So I've missed the dangerous part, and it's everywhere since I got from the bus station. All the trees, it looks a bit of a mess. Trees over there, they're everywhere. So I'm a bit tired. So lucky I didn't go any sooner. They wouldn't have allowed it anyway, so yeah, I'm on my way to the hostel. Just trees everywhere, branches everywhere. So a very dangerous one. Right, catch you in a bit.